Cloud save error in Meccha Chameleon Steam Cloud Sync issue. If Meccha Chameleon is showing cloud save error, save not syncing, or progress not updating, it usually comes from Steam Cloud conflicts, corrupted save files, or blocked sync permissions. Try these fixes one by one. Number 1. Check Steam Cloud is enabled. Open Steam, Library, Meccha Chameleon, Properties. Ensure Steam Cloud is on. Also check Steam Settings, Cloud. Enable Steam Cloud synchronization. 2. Restart Steam properly. Important. Close game, exit Steam completely, end Steam process in Task Manager. Reopen Steam and try again. 3. Resolve Cloud Sync conflict. If Steam shows a conflict message, choose Upload to Steam Cloud if local save is correct, or Download from Steam Cloud if cloud save is newer. 4. Delete corrupted cloud cache. Safe fix. Sometimes cache breaks syncing. Close Steam, go to Steam installation folder, delete remote cache files, Steam Cloud Sync cache, restart Steam. Number 5. Check internet stability. Cloud saves fail with unstable connection. Restart router, avoid VPN or proxy, use stable Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Number 6. Run Steam as administrator. Right-click Steam, click Run as administrator. This fixes permission issues with cloud uploads. Number 7. Verify game files. Steam, Library, right-click Meccha Chameleon, Properties, Installed Files. Click Verify Integrity. Now correct 8. Free up Steam Cloud space. If Steam Cloud is full, delete old saves from Steam Cloud Management page. Restart game and resync. 9. Temporarily disable antivirus firewall. Some security tools block cloud syncing. Turn off real-time protection temporarily or whitelist Steam plus game. Or 10. Last option, reset sync. If nothing works, backup local saves, disable Steam Cloud for the game, launch game once, re-enable Steam Cloud, let it resync fresh data. Most common working fix. For most users, this solves it. Restart Steam, fix cloud conflict, plus verify files, stable internet. If you want, tell me.